What's the purpose of a gap analysis? I've been using a gap analysis for years in The Millionaire Maker. I'm going to give you this book if you don't have it. I give it all the time out on my channel. Read up to chapter 3, do a gap. So here's why I did a gap. The gap is essentially something that could be used in any of your industries, right? So where are you? What's your baseline? And in my definition, I say, what's your freedom day? But whenever there's a gap, call this your health, right? This is your baseline of health. You don't want how much you weigh, how you feel, blah, blah, blah. You set a goal, right? What's your health goal? When you have a gap, there's an intrinsic motivation that works very hard. Your whole neurology of your system, it doesn't like the gap. It's like saying you're going to be fat and skinny. You can't hold two thoughts. So if you're here and you want this, you have to start moving towards closing that gap. And it's extremely motivating as long as you set proper goals. If your goals are too audacious and way too far out there, I mean, a big, hairy, audacious goal is a properly set goal. A stretch, like out of the ballpark goal, a lot of times is so big and there's nowhere to start because you actually don't know. So then that dissipates within probably 24 to 48 hours. It's like a good idea, but it's not really a goal. So within that, then you create a plan. In ours, we have a baseline financial freedom day. Our gap is what's your income, what's your assets, and through that, we're going to help create a plan for you to make money, keep money, invest money, and use a team. So specifically, let's break this down in the video. What do we want you to do with the gap once you get here and read up to chapter 3 to actually start creating a wealth plan immediately? Second thing we're going to talk about, how do you calculate what a financial freedom day is? And number 3, what are you going to do with that number once you have it? Now you've got a properly set goal. What are you going to do about it? And what we're looking for in your baseline is your income. What's your monthly income? All gross numbers. Use all gross or all net, but don't combine gross and net. That gets really confusing. I say just use gross numbers because from gross numbers, we can actually do a better tax strategy. Net numbers, depending if it's after tax, you've already blown it because there's no strategy in there. So we want to know how much do you make in every category in your household income? How much are you spending? Are you spending it in your personal bank account? Are they actually business deductions written out of your corporate bank account? And if you don't have a corporate bank account, you're going to need one. Then what are your assets? Now, I don't agree with the old traditional asset stuff. They're going to let you put jewelry and cars and art and things in there, unless it's a resellable asset where you can actually sell it tomorrow and make some money on it or sell it like in the near future. I'm not going to count a lot of that other stuff. So I always say there's assets and stuff, right? And then liability is all that you owe to totally acquire that stuff, like a mortgage on a house, mortgage on a rental property, your car vehicle loan, your RV loan, all your things that you owe money on. And your liability of what you owe in total, that's what you owe totally to people in the world, creates a monthly expense. And that is what most people do not know how to go for. And you outlive your ability to make money. So then you put the rest of your life on a credit card, then you end up in credit card debt. So why a gap analysis thoroughly done is so important is we need to see how you make it, how you spend it today, what do you own, and what do you owe? Then we go to designing your freedom day. So we'll get to that next. The last problem I just want you to be aware of is those of you that just make a fixed income W-2 job and you have no ability to make money, you actually have very little, if any, ability to also activate the tax code. So many people want the tax result that I talk about out here on my YouTube channel, but you just have a job and a job. You don't have a business. You have to start an operating company of some level. You have hobbies. There's things you do. There's things you have skill sets around. You have to start a company so we can have legal deductions against it. And how you invest matters a lot. So those of you that come to us and say, fix us. Well, if you're just W-2 and you're just in the stock market, you're at ground zero for starting. And you probably can't do a 3-year tax return review. There's no need for it. What are they going to review? There's nothing to do. So we want you to have a more active and more robust life. It would be vital to your gap analysis. How do you set a financial freedom day goal? So to calculate that number, let's just say a lot of people make up the number 10. Well, here's what you're going to have to get to 10. You're going to need to accumulate $1 million in an investable account. And it's going to have to either buy stock, real estate, buy gold, silver, all the things, whatever assets you want. And then at $1 million invested, say at 12% for easy math, that's $120,000. Divide by 12, that's $10,000 a month. So when you set a Freedom Day goal of $10,000 a month, for the most part, you are going for $1 million net worth. Now, there's other ways to get there, so I'm just using simple math to have you get what it's going to take. Because a lot of you, I think you have an illusion. If you've never been a millionaire yet, you think, oh, well, if I'm a millionaire, I can make $50,000 in passive income. That's going to be an interesting equation. Nothing is impossible, but it's an aggressive, you're going to take on more risk to get that reward. How do you really get there? So that's what we do at the big table. We help you analyze and get there. So as you download the book and you send in your gap analysis, ask for a one-on-one appointment with our team to talk about where your gaps are, what we see, what we can do to help band-aid those and help get you a better result. So your baseline is where it is. Your freedom day is your first goal. And then what's next is in that gap for us to put together an income and an asset plan. Notice that debt isn't in there because that's just going to get handled by the new income you make, strategically paid, and you may take on good debt to help yourself out. So good debt, for example, is 0% money. If you can get 0% money, which we can help you get, anybody that's got a 680 credit score or more, usually we can get you anywhere between $40, $60, $100,000 at 0% for 21 months. So there's a path out. It's just not one you're aware of or know how to activate. So I want to give you 2 tickets to our Millionaire Intensive. I teach a course once a month. It's from 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock Pacific. And the first 2 hours is how to live corporate life. You want to be there because this is a huge piece of how you're going to fix this gap and get the financial goals you want. So I will see you there. I also, while you're here, want you to subscribe to the channel. Click this notification button. I want to be in your inbox every morning, and you're going to listen to me, and you're going to tell our strategists what you learned from this YouTube channel. And let's continue the journey. If you have you're like the 5 people around you. So send this to 10 people and get other people that you spend time with in this conversation, because there is a right way to do this and there's a broke way to do this. And you're going to stop listening to Dave Ramsey, Susie Orman, and all of that. That is a very different, stay safe, stay in a little box and not grow. They never promised you this. Our promise, Bob Proctor's promise, the Rich Dad, Poor Dad brand, we are all promising you this level of strategy. So be mindful, because this internet machine has gone crazy and there's so many scams. I call it the bathroom wall because anybody can write anything about anybody. AI is going to be horribly abused on this little internet machine. I already have over 200 fake imitation TikTok accounts. So you're going to hear soon how we're handling that to make sure you don't get scammed by people who aren't us, but they say they're us. And I'll just give you a quick clue. They take you to WhatsApp. We are never in WhatsApp. So don't go over there. Just delete and remove them, block them from ever talking to them again so you don't get scammed. We had a couple clients just recently get scammed for a lot of money. So once you have your numbers and you've done a proper gap, you've met with our team, then what do you do with it? Well, it depends on where you are. Most people need to go make new money. Right? So then you're going to lean into this book, the Cash Machine book, start building an operating company. What can you do? And you all have amazing skills. So don't say you don't have skills. We have a new tool. It's called the Cash Machine Quick Start. It's a quick tool. Fill out the link and it's going to pop back over to you and tell you the 6-8 different things that you could do to go make some new money. So watch that. As you're watching that, you want to start also just being more educated, like drive through your community and say, somebody owns all the real estate. Somebody owns every business. Why don't you own more of it? And how could you own, say, the laundromat, the RV park? How could you start buying more assets with the new money that you're making? And inside of that, you at some point want to come to our table so you activate our tax strategy team around you so you keep your taxes as low as possible. So we want to help you make it, keep your taxes low, and learn to invest it. If you have any questions, go to askloral.com, AskLoral, ask questions, make a request. We'll be back tomorrow.